I will put a link in the description below. This is not a sponsored ad. These are just a pair of boots that I've had for close to a decade now, and I've thoroughly enjoyed. What's up, guys and girls? So I'm going to do a quick review of some footwear that I've really enjoyed over the years. I've used them, these boots, since 2009, so about a decade. So probably got them on the last bike. I'd probably say that he had at least 100,000 miles on them. They've worn really well. They're waterproof. Leather. They have well over the ankle protection, and let's take a look at those boots real quick. Whoop. Here is the boot that I'm talking about. They are made by Wolverine, and they're marketed under the Harley-Davidson brand. They have a nice tall protection, for your ankle. They zip and lace. Now these boots, one of the first things I did is I changed out this little metal piece. I had another pair of boots that had this in black. They originally came with like a brushed metal look going on there, and I thought, well, I like that they say Harley-Davidson. I don't know if you can, pretty sure you can see this, but they say it on every eyelet. They also say on the sole and on the side. The model is FXRG. It's part of the FXRG collection, functional riding gear. Now, for having over 100,000 miles on it, you see the sole's pretty thick. There's a layer of foam right here for impact, like when you're walking. Originally the tread was a little deeper than this. It had these nice little lugs going on. And when I get on and off the bike and it stops, the ball of my foot tends to get a lot of friction on it. And so you can see it's kind of worn down a bit, but still has quite a bit of tread left to go. It's not anywhere near wearing through to the foam part. See how deep this is right here? Yeah, it hasn't split. Again, they're leather. Every now and then I do polish them up, make them nice and shiny-ish. They are waterproof. They have a Gore-Tex insert. Helps keep your foot dry. And you notice the tongue has faded from the ultraviolet UV rays over time. More so down here than up here. And one other thing, over time, the vinyl flex area here is kind of demyelating a little bit, but that's not a big deal. The inside of the boot, the sole insert, foot insert, has worn pretty well. A little bit of the cushioning has moved around, a little bit of the fabric has moved around from the wear and tear. They've done really well, so I recommend buying them if you're into some good foot gear. So be sure to check out my other review videos, and I'll see you guys later. GoPro, stop recording.